Hudson finds insect passion in NZ field. The air buzzes with the promise of discovery as George Hudson immerses himself in the intricate world of insects, his curiosity piqued. Amidst the buzzing wings and rustling leaves, George Hudson's passion for entomology blossoms into a visionary concept. Amidst the throes of World War I, Germany ignites a controversial strategy to conserve coal, setting off a chain reaction across Europe. Animated maps vividly illustrate the swift, sweeping adoption of daylight saving time throughout Europe, forever altering the rhythm of daily life. On-screen text declares, World War I, saving energy for the war effort, marking the dawn of an era where time itself becomes a strategic weapon. A stark split screen reveals the transformative power of DST, showcasing reduced electricity usage. Animated infographics dance across the screen, painting a vivid picture of energy savings and plummeting crime rates. The message flashes across the screen. Benefits, energy savings and reduced crime, underscoring the profound impact of DST. In the sterile confines of a hospital room, the rhythmic beeping of medical equipment underscores the silent threat of the time change. Visual graphics materialize, starkly illustrating the heightened danger of heart attacks in the wake of the disruptive time shift. The warns, drawbacks, health risks, and confusion. Distorted sleep patterns materialize into unsettling illustrations, depicting the hidden chaos sown by the shift in time. Chaos in international business dealings is unfolded through a series of scenes of confusion. Under the relentless Arizona sun, a digital map highlights the sun-kissed lands untouched by daylight saving time. Amidst the debate, expert voices rise, dissecting the enduring DST controversy and the EU's decisive move to abandon mandatory time shifts. A stark question flashes across the screen. The debate continues: to DST or not to DST? Within the animation studio, dynamic infographics come alive, painting a vivid picture of the biannual dance of daylight saving time. The screen becomes a portal, revealing the delicate balance of daylight hours, shifting with each forward leap and backward retreat. Infographics dance across the screen to show how DST works. The city street pulsates with energy as extended daylight casts a warm glow, shops stay open later, and people revel in vibrant outdoor activities. Text flashes across the scene, more time for leisure and shopping, emphasizing the city's vibrant after-hours culture. People stroll along the avenue, basking in the extended daylight, reveling in the extra hours for leisure and shopping. In the dim solitude of a bedroom, a restless figure writhes in the tangled sheets, haunted by shadows. Across the screen, stark words declare, disrupted sleep, a major downside. Amidst the bustling airport, faces of travelers reflect the shared confusion as they search the arrival and departure boards. The chaotic atmosphere of international travel is captured by the weary expressions of those stranded in transit. On-screen text blares, confusion for travelers. Under the vast open sky of the farm, farmers struggle to synchronize animal feeding schedules amidst the chaos of the time change. The words agricultural challenges materialize in stark contrast against the pastoral scenery, highlighting the unseen struggles. The disruption of time casts a shadow over the animal's routine, echoing the farmer's anxiety as they navigate the delicate balance of nature and schedule. In a brightly lit conference room, experts passionately dissect the ongoing debate of daylight saving time. Animated gestures punctuate the air as the experts delve into the intricate merits and drawbacks of daylight saving time. Projected charts and graphs loom large, casting a stark light on the ongoing analysis of daylight saving time's statistical impact. Giants of steel, wind turbines dominate the horizon, their blades gracefully slicing through the sky, heralding an era powered by nature. Against this backdrop of renewable energy, the words DST in the age of renewable energy appear, marking a pivotal moment in the shift towards sustainable power. Embracing the dawn of sustainable power, the landscape transforms under the relentless winds, promising a future where energy and nature dance in harmony. In the heart of the research lab, scientists vigilantly monitor the profound impact of DST on human health and productivity. A large screen casts an informative glow, emphasizing the importance of the scientific research on DST. The suburban street basks in the tranquil, lingering glow of evening, as vehicles glide with newfound ease. A digital message materializes in the air, proclaiming fewer traffic accidents. The retail store pulses with life as extended shopping hours transform the space into a vibrant hive under the glaring fluorescent lights. On screen, the bold declaration boosting retail sales flashes, signaling the store's strategic initiative to seize the evening's potential. Amidst the commerce, the air is thick with ambition. The park comes alive as extended daylight hours invite people to revel in outdoor activities and exercise. Sunlight playfully dances through the leaves, casting a cheerful spell over the landscape. On-screen text proclaims, "More time for outdoor activities," echoing the joyous spirit of the day. In the heart of the control room, energy analysts are immersed in the digital glow of their consoles, tracking the tangible impacts of daylight saving time. Under the watchful gaze of the monitoring energy savings display, each analyst meticulously scrutinizes real-time data, capturing the subtle shifts in power consumption. The large screen looms, a silent testament to the collective effort. Its message, monitoring energy savings, highlighting the crucial mission at hand. A comprehensive world map vividly displays the contrasting realities of daylight saving time, revealing the division between nations that embrace it and those that do not. Across the expansive canvas of the Earth, the words DST around the world emerge, underscoring the planet's diverse relationship with time. In the hallowed halls of a government building, a storm of debate erupts among politicians, their voices echoing off the walls. The screen declares, "The future of DST," as if casting a shadow over the fate of time itself. The air crackles with tension, each word a calculated move in a high-stakes game where the clock never stops ticking. In an expansive field, bathed in sunlight, a final reflection emerges, echoing the profound resonance of a simple notion. The tale of George Hudson, the bug collector, lingers, a testament to the unexpected global impact born from a solitary pursuit. As a final closes the chapter, the humble origins of an idea transform into a legacy, leaving an enduring mark on the world.